Our brains are incredible organs responsible for everything we think, feel, and do. And let's be honest, sometimes they need all the help they can get. Just like any complex machine, the brain requires the right fuel to function at its best. You wouldn't put soda in your car's gas tank, would you? This fuel comes from the food we eat. Yes, even that kale smoothie your friend keeps raving about. What we consume directly impacts our cognitive health, influencing memory, focus, and overall brain function. So maybe think twice before that third donut. For decades, scientists have investigated the intricate connection between nutrition and brain health. And no, they weren't just looking for an excuse to eat more chocolate. This field, known as nutritional psychiatry, explores how specific nutrients can optimize brain function and potentially help prevent cognitive decline. Think of it as brain food, but with a fancy name. This essay delves into the fascinating world of brain-boosting foods, exploring the vital roles of fats, proteins, micronutrients, and carbohydrates in maintaining a healthy and sharp mind. Spoiler alert, pizza didn't make the list. Understanding the impact of nutrition on our brain empowers us to make informed choices that support cognitive well-being. Because who doesn't want to be the sharpest tool in the shed? By providing our brains with the nutrients they need, we can enhance our mental performance and maintain cognitive health throughout our lives. And maybe even remember where we left our keys. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of unlocking our brain power through the food we eat. Bon appetit, brainiacs! The human brain is a complex organ, and its composition reflects this complexity. It's like the ultimate multitasker, juggling everything from breathing to binge-watching your favorite shows. Surprisingly, a significant portion of the brain is made up of fat. Yes, you heard that right. Your brain is basically a fat-loving machine. In fact, about 60% of the brain's dry weight is composed of lipids, highlighting the crucial role fats play in brain structure and function. So next time someone calls you a fathead, take it as a compliment. Proteins constitute about 40% of the brain's dry weight. Think of them as the brain's personal bodybuilders. These proteins are built from amino acids, which serve as the building blocks for cells, enzymes, and neurotransmitters, all essential for optimal brain function. It's like having a team of tiny construction workers in your head. The remaining small percentage consists of micronutrients, including vitamins and minerals, which act as essential cofactors in numerous biochemical reactions within the brain. Think of them as the unsung heroes of brain chemistry. These components work in synergy to support the brain's intricate processing. It's like a well-rehearsed orchestra playing the symphony of your thoughts. Healthy fats provide structure to brain cells and facilitate communication between neurons. So go ahead and enjoy that avocado toast. Your brain will thank you. Proteins, in the form of enzymes and neurotransmitters, regulate countless brain functions, from mood to memory. They're like the brain's very own mood ring. Micronutrients act as catalysts, ensuring the smooth operation of metabolic processes crucial for brain health. Think of them as the brain's personal pit crew. Understanding the roles of these building blocks underscores the importance of a balanced diet that provides these essential nutrients in adequate amounts. So, eat smart and keep your brain in top gear. Among the various types of fats, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids deserve special attention due to their profound impact on brain health. Think of them as the brain's personal bodyguards. These essential fatty acids are crucial for building and maintaining cell membranes, the protective barriers that surround all cells, including brain cells. It's like giving your brain a high-tech security system. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA or docosahexaenoic acid, are found in high concentrations in the brain and are essential for cognitive function, memory, and learning. Basically, they're the brain's secret sauce. They also possess anti-inflammatory properties, protecting the brain from damage caused by inflammation. Think of them as the brain's fire extinguisher. Oily fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of DHA. So, next time you see a fish, give it a nod of appreciation. Plant-based sources of omega-3s include flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, which provide ALA or alpha-linolenic acid, a precursor to DHA that the body can convert, albeit less efficiently. It's like the brain's DIY project. While omega-6 fatty acids are also essential, maintaining a healthy balance between omega-3 and omega-6 intake is crucial. It's all about keeping the peace in brainland. Modern diets often contain an excess of omega-6 fatty acids from vegetable oils, which can contribute to inflammation. Too much of a good thing, right? Aiming for a balance closer to 1-to-1 or even 2-to-1 of omega-6 to omega-3 is generally recommended for optimal brain health. Your brain will thank you with a standing ovation. Section 4. Amino acids and neurotransmitters. The messengers within. Or as I like to call them, the brain's very own postal service. Amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, play a critical role in brain function as precursors to neurotransmitters. Think of them as the raw materials for your brain's secret sauce. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that transmit signals between neurons, facilitating communication within the brain and throughout the body. It's like your brain's own version of instant messaging. Tryptophan, an essential amino acid found in foods like turkey, chicken, and eggs, is a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, sleep, and appetite. So next time you feel sleepy after Thanksgiving dinner, you know who to blame. Tyrosine, another amino acid found in foods like poultry, fish, and dairy products, is a precursor to dopamine and norepinephrine, neurotransmitters involved in motivation, focus, and alertness. Basically, it's your brain's way of saying, let's get stuff done. The availability of specific amino acids directly influences the production of neurotransmitters, which in turn impacts various brain functions. It's like having the right ingredients for a perfect recipe. For example, consuming a protein-rich meal can lead to increased alertness due to the production of dopamine and norepinephrine. So if you need to stay sharp, maybe skip the carbs. In contrast, a carbohydrate-rich meal can promote relaxation and sleepiness by increasing serotonin levels. Perfect for those lazy Sunday afternoons. Section 5. Micronutrients, tiny but mighty. Despite their small amounts, micronutrients play a monumental role in maintaining optimal brain health. Think of them as the unsung heroes of your brain's superhero team. Vitamins and minerals act as cofactors in various enzymatic reactions, ensuring the smooth functioning of numerous metabolic processes within the brain. It's like having a backstage crew that makes sure the show goes on without a hitch. B vitamins, particularly B6, B12 and folate, are crucial for brain health. They're like the brain's personal trainers, keeping it in top shape. They're involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, the maintenance of myelin, the protective sheath surrounding nerve fibers, and the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to the brain. Basically, they're the multitaskers of the nutrient world. Deficiencies in B vitamins can lead to cognitive impairment, fatigue, and even neurological disorders. So if you're feeling a bit foggy, it might be time to check your B vitamin levels. Minerals like iron, copper, zinc, and magnesium are equally important. Think of them as the brain's secret agents working behind the scenes. Iron is crucial for oxygen transport and energy production in the brain. It's like the brain's personal delivery service, ensuring it gets the oxygen it needs. Copper and zinc play vital roles in neurotransmitter synthesis and antioxidant defense. They're the brain's dynamic duo, fighting off the bad guys. Magnesium is involved in nerve transmission, muscle function, and stress response. It's like the brain's yoga instructor, keeping it calm and collected. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources can provide these essential micronutrients. So eat up and give your brain the VIP treatment it deserves. Section 6. Glucose, the brain's primary fuel, or as I like to call it, brain juice. The brain is an energy-hungry organ, consuming approximately 20% of the body's total energy expenditure, despite accounting for only about 2% of body weight. Talk about a high-maintenance diva. Glucose, a simple sugar derived from the breakdown of carbohydrates, serves as the brain's primary energy source. Think of it as the brain's favorite snack. The brain relies on a constant supply of glucose from the bloodstream to function correctly. No glucose, no brain power. Simple as that. When blood glucose levels drop, the brain's energy supply is compromised, leading to impaired cognitive function, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. Basically, your brain throws a tantrum. The type of carbohydrates we consume influences how quickly glucose enters the bloodstream. Choose wisely or face the wrath of the sugar crash. Simple carbohydrates, such as those found in sugary drinks and processed foods, cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash, leading to energy fluctuations and impaired cognitive function. It's like a roller coaster ride for your brain. Fun at first, but then you feel queasy. Complex carbohydrates, such as those found in whole grains, fruits and vegetables, are digested more slowly, providing a steady release of glucose and sustained energy for the brain. Think of it as the brain's slow and steady fuel. No drama, just results. Section 7, a rainbow on your plate for a sharper mind. Because who doesn't want a brain as sharp as a tack and as colorful as a unicorn? The intricate workings of our brains rely heavily on the nutrients we provide through our diet. Think of it as feeding your brain a gourmet meal instead of fast food. From the structural fats that make up brain cells to the micronutrients that facilitate countless biochemical reactions, every component plays a vital role in maintaining optimal cognitive health. It's like giving your brain a VIP pass to the nutrient club. Embracing a varied, nutrient-rich diet is the cornerstone of a healthy brain. And let's be honest, it makes your plate look like a work of art. By incorporating a colorful array of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into our meals, we can provide our brains with the essential building blocks they need to thrive. It's like building a brain mansion, one delicious bite at a time. Prioritizing brain-boosting foods like fatty fish, nuts, seeds, leafy greens and berries can help sharpen cognitive function, enhance memory and protect against age-related cognitive declines. Basically, it's like giving your brain a spa day. Remember, food is not merely sustenance, it is medicine for the mind. And who knew medicine could taste this good? By making conscious choices to nourish our brains with the nutrients they crave, we can unlock our cognitive potential and maintain a healthy mind throughout our lives. Think of it as giving your brain a daily high five. So let's make every bite count and fuel our brains for optimal performance and well-being. Because a happy brain is a happy you. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on boosting your brain power, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.